So how do you cut out an object in an iPad? Let me show you how it could work. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, actually, there are plenty of ways how you could do it. Like, for example, I know some iPads also have the cleanup tool inside of the built-in Photos app, right? So if your iPad supports it, you can get inside your images like that, click on Edit, and use the cleanup tool, which is built in now, and you can select the objects that you want, and it will kind of like replace them with something else based on the surrounding pictures, right, and pixels. So that is kind of how it will replace it. So that is using the built-in method, but of course there are so many other apps which can get the job done. For example, I know a lot of people who use Snapseed, which is the Google's photo editor, where as well you have the healing tool, which as well does the exact same thing, right? So that is how we can also just work with it. And also this feature has been recently implemented into the Lightroom photo editor. So if you use that, or if you have access to that application, you as well have the ability to select the subject and literally just remove it by replacing it with the pixels around it. So yeah, there are so many apps which get the job done. It's now easier than ever to just cut out objects from your photos. So let me know what you think about it. Let me know which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos, of course, only if you subscribe. So make sure you do that, and that way you don't miss anything. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.